Hey Jesse, how you doing?
Good, but we have this piece right here.
You know who it was made by?
I don't know.
This is made by Hondo Garage.
Yeah, this is made by Honda.
Hondo Garage.
Hondo Garage.
So the reason why we're changing this is that this is going to replace this one. A little bit, we're not going anywhere.
I have to change this bit.
We're going to replace this Hondo Garage holder with this one, and the reason being is because the problem with this one, and that's still an awesome unit, I like using it, but the problem with this one, it doesn't open all the way or close all the way because the way it's built. So now we got this one to do, so Jesse's going to replace it. So first of all, we got to take out this ram mount because we're going to replace that.
Yes, I'm going to take it off. That one off, set it up there. Go now.
Yep, so we're going to take out the ram ball. I'll put a link to the description where you get one of these, or the new improved ones. What are you doing, Jonah? Can you see through that, Jonah? Yeah? I don't know.
And I found the right one, this as well. Oh, just gonna get that first.
Yeah, so we're just taking these off.
I'm just doing that so it's easier. Okay.
Yeah, don't lose the bolts.
I'll just set it like right there.
That's a good idea.
I don't want it to fall because I know it's sloped.
What?
Okay. Let me hold on to that now.
I might just have to take it to the dealer.
Okay, that piece.
Okay, so the ram ball comes out. So now we take out these three things. I don't think you have to take them off all the way. You just have to loosen them, Jesse. It's been a while. I put it diagonally because once these are installed, you can't change the orientation of the vent, like so. And I had tilted it because the air was coming out at the right spot that it ended up either freezing my hand because I'm a manual, or getting my face, my knee actually. Yep, that was all we had to do. See, it's just a little amount. So now you gotta take off these two things right here. You can take off by hand.
I'll take off by hand.
Yeah, we can actually put that one back here so I won't lose it. You gotta loosen it up a little bit more, like get it so that these are out. You see how the flush they are? So take a look at these. See how much I got these? I kind of pulled them out.
Hold on, let me go ahead and loosen these out now. I'm supposed to.
I think I got it, no? Check it out. I think you could tighten it from there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, tighten it. There we go. Yep. So it's snug.
Got that
snug, right?
Yeah.
See? There you go. So now you can get the other one.
Got that snug?
Yep.
I have one more left to snug. Get the snug. Got that snug.
So
it's not moving or anything.
So it still doesn't rotate. See, when you have a regular vent, it rotates, but you can close it better now, right? See? It's not flat though.
Yeah, but it won't get you. I hope it won't get you.
Does it look like it closes better or not really?
Maybe, I think so, a little bit.
Or can we
more.
get a little bit higher?
No, we can't. We can't. I think that's the maximum.
Well, that's maximum opening. Before we couldn't open it as much, right?
Yeah.
How far could we open it? About right here?
Yeah, we can open it about right.
So now we can open it up more.
Yeah, we can.
Right?
Yeah, and the air can point to you.
Right, but it can't close 100%.
Yeah, but don't worry, it will not get you at all.
That's okay.
But it won't get you at all.
But it does open up. Before we were like stuck right here, right?
Yeah, we were like stuck
so now
like that.
We could open it if we want it cooler. I know some people, they actually trim this one out to make it fit for the vent. Actually, I think they trim the whole thing. They do that, so you can do that too. Okay, Jesse, let's go ahead and put everything back, and then we're done.
Yeah, now we're gonna get the.
Are you having fun, Jonah? Yes. All right, Jesse, thanks for helping out. So that is the new and improved Hondo Garage mount for the Perfect Squeeze phone mount. And again, I'll put the link in the description. I want to say thanks for watching. Jesse, what do you say?
Peace out.
Peace out.